step-by-step instructions on Minecraft. First of all, cut down the trees. If you're on a PlayStation, press square and then you'll be in your scroll and get a crafting table and some sticks. And then place is the and then 2 and then that's place, and then you go into that and press on the pickaxe. You can mine with it, and then you can mine trees quicker. Now I'm going to make a base. Now I'm going to put my door in. Not that rich enough. Now this is my home. I get a shovel for my crafting table, and then I go and find some sand, and then I can dig it up and then get some stone and make a furnace and then smelt it. Mine it right now. And then place it where you want it to go. Go to the furnace, put all your coal in, and then put what you got, your sand, and then it smelts. I've just got glass. See, it says glass. Now I'm going to make a hole and put it in this wall, right there. There we go. And now I'm going to make my roof. You need to go a bit higher. There we go. A finished house. Oh, look. That's the instructions how to make a house in Minecraft.